Welcome to Market Snapshot from the Incred Equities Desk. In this podcast, our expert from the Equities Research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty and Bank Nifty both witnessed a range-bound session. Neither the bulls nor the bears were seen in control. Though there were times when it felt that Nifty will pick up a momentum, but it failed to do so. Even Bank Nifty, which was looking more volatile, which was looking more in the momentum, that also failed to witness a mark. With this, option writers got into control, and it was purely an options day. If you look at the strikes across, there was good amount of fall coming in the premiums. What also aided was the fact that yesterday being holiday on the Christmas Eve, the time value erosion was even more rampant, especially one of the weekly expiries that we are witnessing today. One can also say it's a monthly expiry. So that aided in more amount of fall in the premiums. If you look at individual stocks, even they did not see too much of activity. Whether you look at the sectoral participation, even that was muted. So all in all, it was a very dull session as such. But that these kind of sessions are also important as they result in base building formation. So we had a good couple of trading sessions before that, and now the gains have not been given up. It's taking more amount of time, so that gives you a chance to form a base and go higher. On a very immediate basis, 24,000 is going to be immediate resistance area where a good amount of option writing has been seen in the calls, and 23,500 would now be acting as an immediate support area where strong writing has been seen in the put side. Interestingly, US markets closed on a positive note near the high point of day. All the benchmark indices were up 1%, and that can lift the spirits for Nifty index as well. GIFT Nifty is pointing towards an implied open of 80-85 points. We may open on a positive note, a gap up note at that. Whether we sustain or not, that is something that we need to see. But in a scenario where the volatility increases, at higher levels, things are going to be a little bit skeptical. So if you look at the last two candles in Nifty daily chart, the lows are more or less the same levels, and Nifty formed almost a doji kind of pattern, which means an indecisive pattern. A move about 23,825.30 or 23,800 rather would push it towards 24,000, and a move below 23,650 will push it below 23,500. So this range is going to be a critical one, and one can place their trades based on these levels. Even if we go towards 24,000, I would still be saying that this correction is not yet over. We may see some more spike. It may cross 24,000 also. But overall, wave C has not ended, and we may see some more downside going forward. This is a temporary event that we are talking about at the current juncture. FIs sold around 2,400 crores worth in cash. Domestic bought around 2,800 crores worth in cash. This was a little surprising, as during such little sessions, one generally does not expect slightly larger numbers coming in from FIs. So one needs to take that into consideration as well. Overall, as I said, the momentum seems muted at this point. It's futile to attempt a longer short trade. Levels that I have mentioned should be used to create fresh longer shorts today. That will from my side. Thank you.
The securities and stocks quoted here are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.